Welcome to our channel. Today we draw and color a hedgehog. Take out your black marker. Start by drawing the hedgehog's face. Short front limbs. Continuing to draw the body outline. Then draw the hedgehog's big eyes. Cute mouth. The pom-poms. Drawing the hedgehog's ears. Now for the hedgehog's spines. That's a lot of spines. And then the hind limbs of the hedgehog. Draw the toes. Hedgehog blush. Hedgehog has an apple on his nose. There's an apple on the ground too. There are also some apples on the body. Draw the rest of the hedgehog's spines. Finally, draw the horizontal line. Tall grass. Tall grass. Let's start stroking and molding. Done, great. Let's start coloring. Bright yellow.